From glowing skin to weight loss and luscious locks. The surprising health benefits of eating just 2 eggs per day. Experts say eating 2 eggs per day is beneficial for the body. Lose weight. Studies show that a protein-rich breakfast can help improve feelings of satisfaction, reduce feelings of hunger and lead to a lower intake of kilojoules over the course of the day, particularly from high-fat, high-sugar evening snacks. According to one study, including eggs as part of a low-calorie diet can help speed up the rate at which people lose weight. Eggs are also high in protein and therefore make you feel fuller for longer. Healthy hair, skin and nails. Eggs also contain plenty of B vitamins, including vitamins B12, B5, biotin, thiamine and riboflavin along with selenium. These help you to maintain healthy skin, hair and nails by nourishing our cells, promoting skin elasticity and counteracting damage caused by free radicals. A strengthened immune system. As it starts to get colder, you will be looking to ward off colds and the flu. 1 serve of eggs contains 59% of the recommended dietary intake of selenium, 32% of the RDI for vitamin A and 14% of the RDI for iron. These are all nutrients that are well known for bolstering your immune system. A treat for your eyes. Lutein and zeaxanthin are 2 antioxidants found in eggs and they also happen to be found in the macular region of the eye. Numerous studies have suggested lutein and zeaxanthin, along with other nutrients such as omega-3 also found in eggs, are essential components for eye health. Current evidence shows that including lutein and zeaxanthin in your diet can help maintain eye health over the long term by protecting against retinal degeneration. An improved memory. Eggs contain a special type of vitamin-like substance called choline which is difficult to find in other commonly eaten foods. It helps metabolize fat, maintain healthy cell membranes and may improve brain functioning and memory. According to research by scientists at Cornell University, taking a choline supplement during pregnancy may also improve brain functioning and reaction speed of infants. Vitamin D intake. It can be difficult to obtain sufficient vitamin D in winter. Eggs can provide a useful boost to vitamin D intake as they are one of only a few food sources of this important nutrient. Vitamin D is important for its role in helping the body absorb calcium, keeping bones and teeth strong. You can bulk up and gain muscle. If you are looking to gain muscle or bulk up, protein is key. The high-quality protein found in eggs has been shown to be an excellent way of getting protein in both before and after exercise. And it's a myth that you need to focus on egg whites only. A recent study found that eating whole eggs after exercise is more conducive to muscle development than consuming the protein from egg whites alone. Good for the blood. Eggs contain plenty of folate, with 1 serve providing nearly half of the daily needs. Folate is a type of B vitamin needed for the formation of new red blood cells. It's particularly important during periods of rapid growth, so is needed in high amounts in the diets of expecting moms and those planning a pregnancy. If you liked it, do not forget to click on like and subscribe to be aware of the coolest things in the world.